In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your PowerPoint 2016 presentation in Microsoft Office 365. Inserting video content is a great way to make your slides more dynamic, engaging, and visually appealing. So let's dive in and learn how to do it step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation where you want to insert a video. If you're starting fresh, you can simply create a new blank presentation. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. This tab lets you add different types of content, such as images, charts, shapes, and of course, videos. Now, look for the video option in the Insert toolbar. Click on it, and you'll see a few choices appear. For this tutorial, we'll select this device, which allows you to insert a video that's already saved on your computer. A File Explorer window will appear. From here, browse through your folders and locate the video file you want to add. It might be in your Downloads, Documents, or Project folder. Once you've found it, click on the file and then select Insert. And just like that, your video will be added to the slide. You can now resize, move, or position it anywhere you like on your slide. You can even use the playback tab to adjust settings like start options, trimming, or looping. Adding videos to your PowerPoint slides is an excellent way to grab attention and make your message more memorable. So keep experimenting with multimedia. It really helps take your presentations to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more PowerPoint and Office 365 tutorials.